Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are an essential part of our diet and play a vital role in our body's functioning. They are the body's primary source of energy, providing us with the fuel we need to power through our daily activities. Carbs come in different forms, including sugars, starches, and fiber. Sugars are simple carbohydrates that are quickly absorbed by the body and provide a fast burst of energy. Starches are complex carbohydrates and take longer for the body to break down, providing a more sustainable source of energy. Lastly, fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest but plays a crucial role in keeping our digestive system healthy and functioning properly. Now, while carbs can be a part of a healthy diet, it's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal. Some carbs can be high in sugar content and may not be the best for our health if consumed excessively. It's always a good idea to choose whole grains and fresh fruits as your primary sources of carbs for maximum health benefits. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information about carbohydrates useful and interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.